Good evening, everyone. Tonight we spotlight Cougar Strong Racing 6th grade Green Power team from Long Cane Middle School in LaGrange, Georgia. They are making impressive strides on and off the track in the animated stock division of GreenpowerUSA. This is Cougar Strong Racing 555 team, and this is their road to Talladega. Now we go live to our reporter in action at the Cougar Strong Racing garage. Allison, take it away.
Thanks, Zion. The 555 team is composed of a diverse group of students passionate about engineering, teamwork, and racing. Each member contributes a unique skill that charges the project's success and innovation.
We started in August by rebuilding the car from scratch. It took us about 4 weeks to finish the build, and we had a driver competition to choose our drivers for the season. Our next priority was to choose jobs so everybody on the team could help us accomplish our goals.
We set an 8-race schedule for the season and plan to spend the majority of our time perfecting our team presentation and the rest tuning our F24.
Our strategy is to collect as much data as possible. We monitor battery voltage, driver timing, lap timing, pit stop times, and anything else that can impact our performance.
We have a two-pronged approach to fund our Green Power team. The biggest is our 5-level sponsorship program. Our secondary funding source is our Got You Back t-shirt fundraiser.
This year we raised about $13,000 to our sponsorship program and about $7,000 to our t-shirt fundraiser. We really appreciate the support of our 24 sponsors this year.
By January, we had participated in 4 races that qualified us to compete in the National Championship. The Kia Fall Classic, Santa Sprints, and both Chocolaca Park Grand Prix races. We placed second or better at every race.
Our 3 goals this year were to learn the basics of the F24, how to perform well in our 90-minute endurance races, and how to create a good team presentation. We've had a lot of practice doing that this season, so we're hopeful we can finish on top at the National Championship. We've logged 384 miles this season and are striving to hit 400 miles.
We've learned a lot this year about how to build and maintain our F24 in the stock division. For example, we've learned how to complete a front toe adjustment, which ensures our front tires are parallel so that there's no drag, which minimizes our power consumption and maximizes our endurance.
As the race season progressed, we were looking for ways to increase endurance, so we decided to focus on motor cooling. We wanted to increase airflow to the motor components, so we created a large air intake on the left side of the car.
We know that a cooler motor draws less power, which positively affects endurance. We're hopeful that it will help us at Talladega.
This year, our drivers focus on driving smarter because we know that you can't win in the first lap, but you can definitely lose by being too aggressive.
Another adjustment we've made this year in our race strategy has been our driver timing and pit stops. Before, we called our drivers in at the exact planned time, but we've learned it's smarter to consider the other teams on the track and try to pit when there's less traffic in pit road.
The team has been working hard preparing for the last race of the season at Talladega Superspeedway on May 2nd, and they are hopeful that they can bring home their first official national championship in the stock division. With 22 stock division teams competing, you bet it will be exciting to watch.
If you would like to learn more about Green Power USA, check greenpowerusa.net. Thanks for joining us this evening on Channel 5 Action News. Good night.